my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 5 Language and Expressions. Chapter number 27 Proverbs. A short sentence that offers advice or gives a moral is called a proverb. A proverb also expresses a general truth. So, test your knowledge of proverbs with the following quiz. Complete each proverb by choosing the correct option. Number 1. Every cloud has a silver lining. As you sow, so shall you reap. Of all trades, master of none, Jack. Don't cry over split milk. Lining, reap. Third one is Jack, milk. Okay. 5. A friend in need is a friend indeed. B. Need. 6. All that glitters is not gold. Honesty is the best policy. A stitch in time saves 9. 9. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. 10. After a dash comes a calm. After a storm. Question B. Complete the proverbs given below by filling up the blank spaces. Beggars cannot be choosers. 2. Dash lies in the eye of the beholder. Beauty lies. Beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. 3. Every dash has its day. Every dog. Dash killed the cat. Curiosity. Don't judge a book by its cover. Nothing succeed like success. Dash is stranger than fiction. Truth. Truth is stranger than fiction. The pen is mightier than the sword. 9. Rome wasn't built in a day. A miss is as good as mile. Action speaks louder than words. Charity begins at home. Okay, so the students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 28, Syntax. Underline the incorrect word and write the correct word in the space provided. I'm quite happy to wait for you here. Quite. Number 2, keep all the material on site so that we may start work immediately. Keep our materials on site. Keep all the material on site so that we may start work immediately. Side over na ye. I have purchased this ball pen from the stationery shop. Incorrect word and write the correct word in the space provided. It is correct na. I have purchased this ball pen from the stationery shop. Stationary. Stationery. Be careful or you will lose all your money. Be careful, you will lost. all your money. Next, advise you to drink lots of water. I shall report to the principal of your misconduct, of your misconduct. Mean so, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 29. Idioms. An idioms is a group of words that has a special meaning which may not be clear from the individual words. Match the idioms to their meanings. Pull someone's leg. Play a joke. On top of the world. On top of the world. Feeling great. Walls have ears. Others may hear. Nick of time. Just before time is up. Icing on the cake. Something that makes it even better. Feeling blue, feeling sad. Fill in the blanks with the correct idiom choose from the clue box. Neha was very nervous before the interview, but she acted cool as cucumber. Manohar has put his best foot forward for the competition. Put his best foot forward for the competition. After completing the final examination, Rahul decided to let his hair down. Meena has never played Scrabble, but she decided to give it a shot. Harsh did not go to the picnic as it was raining cats and dogs. Priya has green thumb as she has the best garden in our neighborhood. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. Similes. A simile is a comparison of two things using as or like. Complete the similes listed below. The meaning of the simile is given alongside as a clue. So let me start. As clean as a whistle, very clean. As brave as a lion, very brave. As like as two peas, identical or nearly so. As bright as a, as like as two peas in a pod. As bright as a button, very bright. As clear as a, as bold as a brass, very as blind as a number 7 bat. Okay, as clear as a bell, very clear. As bold as a brass, very bold. As blind as a bat, completely blind. As calm as a mill pond, very calm and still. As different as chalk from cheese, very different. As nutty as a fruit cake, completely crazy. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 31. Symbolic language. We can see many signs and symbols around us. All of them are used to convey a message or to represent an organization. Given below are some common symbols we see frequently. So identify them and write what they represent. 1. UNO, danger. Olympic flag, no smoking. 5. DTC, RBI, justice. 8. Switch mobile off. Dustbin. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 32. What do we call them? Recognize the following achievements of India which are unique for being the first in the country. So, write the name of each in the given blank space. Take help from the clue box. Pantry is a room or large cupboard for storing food. 2. A factory is a place where things are produced in large quantities. 3rd, a museum is a place where ancient things are kept for display. A hangar is a place where aeroplanes are kept. An aquarium is a place where different types of fishes are kept for public view. An operation theater So, dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.